Stone. Yeah. Alright. I think I have something I can start you off with. We need to come check me up at the house. Alright, good. So, how is Akeem?
Akeem is good. He's doing really well at school. I think he entered the spelling bee competition at school and he said he wants to join basketball. So, he's really good with mommy.
And are you in contact with his father? What's his name? Shappy.
I have something to tell you. Since we're being more honest and open, I think it's something you need to know about Akeem and his father.
Okay.
Akeem isn't Winston's child. I found out it was from my ex. I know you're gonna look at me differently because of it, but I mean, I've had to live with the shame all these years. I mean, I really wanted it to be Winston, but because of how it happened with my ex, I didn't want Akeem, to be born from all of that foolishness. So I just said it was Winston, but it wasn't his.
So no.
Yeah. He knows.
Sandra, I don't even know how to process this. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to say.
See, this is why I didn't want to tell you, no, Carlton. Because I didn't want you to see me differently.
Here, son. I am not one to judge. And since we're being open and honest, I have something to tell you too.
Really?
Remember Michelle? My brother's wife? 18 years ago, we had an affair. It was just one night. We were drinking, we got drunk.
Carlton, I mean, these things happen, right? I mean, we can move past it and...
Hold on, Sandra, I'm not done. You also know my niece, Tiffany.
Are you telling me what I think you're telling me?
Tiffany is mine.
Since you like making babies so much, Carlton, and I'm your lawfully wedded wife, we have no children together.
Carlton, come on. Can't you, son? You don't want to go at this